It's been a difficult time for me recently, and I'm not going to go fully into like what's wrong with my health, because putting all of your information on the internet is probably not the best idea, so I try and avoid doing that. But safe to say, I've been struggling somewhat. There's been a variety of health issues, health scares that have happened, and since probably about December, I've been struggling to process some things. And it's resulted ultimately in me having a health failing in March. And that's meant I needed to take some time off my actual day job. It's also resulted in some really strong medication that now means I don't really see mornings anymore. I sleep far too much. I have no routine, which is a nightmare for me because I really enjoy sense of routine. I was getting up at like 6:30 in the mornings to the gym, and I can't do that now. And today I thought, well, we'll have a little chat about the future of the channel, what's going to happen, you know, because it's been a while since I did any big update. I think it's been like 4 months anyway. And you know, what things I'm going to do in the future, what shows I might go to, but then also we'll just have a look at what I've been doing in the meantime to keep myself sane, keep my spirits up. And, well, one of the main things I've been doing is this, gardening, veg growing, and more. We'll get back to the gardening later. But yeah, I've been doing a variety of things in my garden to try and push myself along, but I have also been looking to the future. I'm hopefully, for the first time ever for me in this channel, going to the Scottish Model Show in, I think it's just over a week's time. This show is the first for me in Scotland, and I hope to see a lot of clubs and models that I haven't seen elsewhere, or some that perhaps I've seen at Telford but never in their home territory. I'm really excited to go to this show, and it's one that I've wanted to go to for a while, and I think last year it was on the same time as Key Model World Live, which I'll also be attending this year, but that is the week after. I have gone through my calendar and tried to get a couple of different shows throughout each month. So I need to put a disclaimer out there that I can't afford to go to every show. And that's a combination of things, both like, you know, my own money, like, and actually going to them. Because some of them are like 4 or 5 hours away, and then I have to get a hotel, and that just increases the cost quite a lot, and, you know, all that jazz. But then also it's time. You know, I have my own personal life to attend to, both with family, friends, loved ones, and that can make it really difficult to just spend all this time going to shows. I also have something happening later in the year that I can't go into, but that's just going to take up a lot of my time. It's a very personal thing, but yeah, it just means that like sort of August onwards is almost all a write-off. Got a couple of shows I'll go to, but that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's basically my plan for shows this year. I will still be doing models. I'm actually starting a model today as of filming, yay, which is really exciting. It's the first model I've actually started doing since not being able to work, and I'm hoping to try and use it to build a sense of routine, help manage my sleep, and all that sort of thing. Will it work? Who knows? But right now, it couldn't be any worse than it is right now. So yeah, here's hoping. That model, well, I hope to do a sterling job on it, but you'll have to wait and see the video, which won't be a short, to see what it will be. Yeah, you can work out what model it is by now, hopefully. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, because I've also started hanging my models from the ceiling in our landing. I've got the CL415 up there, I've got Concord up there, and so bigger models now, I have space for them. This also means the B36 will be returning when I start streaming. Now, streaming was something I really enjoyed doing on a Sunday, and that's taken a back seat just because I'm not well enough. I hope to be doing it again soon, like genuinely, but it's kind of balancing again my health with like modeling in general, not even just like content creation, but just doing modeling. So I'm focusing on the short sterling first. Once that's done, I'll move on to some other projects. I'm really hoping that this is the start of me getting back to normal, and that hopefully in a month, 2 months time, I'm back to normal entirely. But who knows? There is a lot to be said about the state of the world at the moment, and it causing existential crisis, existential dread, and a triggering of the human condition for so many people, myself included. It's very overwhelming, particularly when so many people are losing their rights and their way of life. I am trying my absolute best to just try and find a way through it, and in a healthy way. Part of that healthiness was putting a boundary in place. I wanted to just make a video immediately and talk about why I'm off, but I've waited until I'm actually in a better place, because actually on all of these sorts of videos I always get some sort of hate comment, and they're not great when you're in a bad place. So I've waited until like I'm in a place where I'm probably strong enough to just deal with it. But I've also like tried to balance not sharing too much and not oversharing. You know, if things get worse, I'll probably do an update and let you know, but for now, they're in a place where I'm going to be okay. Like, it will be okay. It's just going to take time to get to that point. Hopefully. Still waiting on some things to come back, but hopefully, fingers crossed, they're all okay. Anyway, let's go back to the garden and look at how things are there and what I'm doing. Having a garden these days feels like a privilege, and I'm lucky enough that I have one big enough to plant vegetables and berries and all that jazz. I have like 3 red currant bushes that I'm yet to get any off because the birds always get to them. Blackcurrant bush. I have a rhubarb plant that's flowering again. It just flowers every year. And then I plant some vegetables. And yeah, thought I would just show you it. It's how I've been managing my mental health in this like downtime. So thought I would just show you it. Plus an excuse to take the camera outside. This would have been a much better angle to do it at, wouldn't it? But never mind. This is like really awkward because I can't really stand up fully. And the camera can't stand fully, but I have a little greenhouse. Sure, I've been doing some work. And I had like some of those like small ones before, but this is like I'm fully stood up in this one. And it seems to be okay. It's not super hot right now. So most of these things still have the lid on, which is also helping with moisture retention. And it seems to be going okay. Some things are drier, some things are damper. I just need to work on getting it just right. But I've got a lot of courgettes being planted, tomatoes being planted, carrots being planted. A lot of these things I did do last year as well. So yeah, this is my downtime basically. I also have this, which is my potato patch, and I actually built all of this whilst I've been dealing with things. It's not been easy, and obviously I've just laid 2 on top, which I know is not what you're meant to do, but I don't have a saw right now, so for now it'll do. And we've had 2 storms and it's held in place, so it should be fine, but I will eventually not stack them directly on top. I'll cut one in half, move them across, and then I will also put some posts in both sides to make sure they stay in place. But for now it's fine. Potatoes were planted yesterday from Home Bargains. It was like 99p for seed bags. I think it worked out just cheaper than buying them from a garden centre. But then I also went to a garden centre and got some stuff as well. And yeah, I'm really happy. You can tell my veg patch is all overgrown over winter. I started turning up yesterday. That's probably a job for the weekend. Hopefully I'm on like a new level of my medication now. And they said I should start getting some energy back. So hopefully I do, and I can redo all of this. Because I've got some parsnips that I want to put out. This mud is like not great, but last year I did grow lettuce, courgette, I grew some massive squashes, I grew carrots over this side last year, and I grew tomatoes in some barrels over there that I don't think you can quite see, but they'll be going in that. I did buy some already sort of started vegetables this year. I bought a pumpkin, chilli, tomato and courgette plant, so they'll be going straight in here probably. Actually, maybe in a month's time. I might just put them in some big pots now and throw them in greenhouse. But yeah, this is like was my like project when I was off. I find it a really good mental health reaper, a lot like modelling really. Modelling I think is good for sort of mindfulness, but this helps me stay active even though I've been so tired that I can't really do anything recently. It's been able to get me outside, even if it's just to sit in a chair I've got over there and just admire it. It's just doing a little bit of turning over the ground or a little bit of pulling out all the plants. Obviously this all needs work, but it's my own little slice of heaven really. Keeps them going. I'll put in some pictures of some of my plants as well on my border. I'm quite private about like where I live, what I do, so I try not to show too much, but I thought I'd show you that I have a garden and that I use it, and I love it. I love it dearly. But yeah. Anyway, I guess let's go back inside now. Thanks for like watching this video. It's the channel update ones I'm never sure of because they're also kind of a personal update, and I never know like if people really want to see these, if these will do well, if they're worth doing. But like I felt like I wanted to do something when I was well enough to say I'm really sorry there's been no videos for a while, but they're coming back. This is the first one, then you'll get Scotland model show, which will probably come out, I don't know, this Monday after the show probably. You'll get Key Model World, which will probably come out on the Sunday after the show. You'll get all these shows coming, and hopefully some regular videos as I start to get back to a sense of normality. If the videos drop off entirely, you know, things probably aren't great, but hopefully this is the start of things getting better. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Love you, bye. Thank you to everyone who supports the channel, now probably more than ever. Thank you to all my starter kits and my advanced kit level members who get a shout out at the end of each video. Thank you to Taggers365, Star Trek Props and Models, Bobby G, Daffy Duck, Bob and Genevieve Albridge, David Barber, Jeff's Dioramas, and the two longest supporters of advanced kit level, Crazy Loacher and Explosive Water. If you've enjoyed what you've seen here today, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get up to date with the latest and greatest videos from this channel and the live streams when I do host them. Thank you so much for being here. Enjoy the rest of your day wherever you are. Love you, bye!